So I'm going to show you guys a new multilingual embeddings model. And I'm also going to show you guys how to actually use it with Hugging Face, Llama Index, and LangChain. This is Nomic Embed Text version 2, an open source multilingual mixture of experts embeddings model. And before I talk about what's so special about this multilingual MOE embeddings model, let's talk about what it can do for you. Now, with Nomic Embed Text v2, it's primarily mostly useful for semantic search. If you're building some sort of search function for your application or a RAG system, you can use that. Or you can use this embeddings model to find the correct context, clustering, and many, many more. And also, Nomic has a very good track record of actually building some really, really good embeddings model. I'm a huge fan of the GPT-4 embeddings model that I used in my personal applications, and they've been releasing some really, really good embeddings model that the community has been very, very receptive of. So I feel like this is a big step forward for a better open source embeddings model. Now, what's special about this is not only is it actually a multilingual embeddings model, which is amazing, but also it has an MOE architecture, which means that while we have other dense models that use all of the different parameters to give you a nice embeddings at the end, this uses specific parameters in different layers, which reduces the deployment costs because you don't have to use a very expensive GPU, but also it has a lower latency while getting really good embeddings. Here in their blog post, they've posted some benchmarks over here. I wish they provided a paper instead that goes a bit more into in-depth, but I guess that's just me. They've also trained with different languages, mostly English, Spanish, French, German, but also have different other languages, including Yoruba. Now, I know that one of the languages that some of my viewers are thinking of is Arabic. Arabic seems to be a very, very difficult language, so it'd be interesting to see whether or not this can work really, really well. If you guys work with Arabic languages, then please give this one a try. This could be very, very useful. Now, over here, I have a Google Colab notebook where I load the model. So here you guys can use the transformer package, the INOps, and megablocks. And you guys can simply load the model, define sentences, define the mean pooling, where you guys can reduce the dimensions of the embeddings, put the model into evaluation mode, and then start getting the embeddings. Here's an example of building similarity search. You can also use it with LangChain. I'm sure a lot of people will find this very useful. This is very easily integrated with Hugging Face embeddings in the LangChain package. Again, we use this similarly, and Llama Index is a very similar use case. Alright guys, hope you found this video insightful. If you guys did, please feel free to subscribe. I make similar videos like these. Alright guys, hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day.